An older Range Rover here. The owner tried to do it himself. The fact that the light had enough damage on its own from the sun, he made things even worse and permanently messed up his lights. So we had to come and try to salvage what we could. We did a great job, not 100% because of what the customer did, but this definitely looks a lot better than how we got there. Look at this. Broward Headlight Restoration. We service South Florida, Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County. We are mobile. We come to you. 754-302-0769. Please don't use the headlight restoration kit. You're only going to make things worse. 754-302-0769. Give us a call. We come to you, your home, your office, your work. Thank you.